Yo, what's up, Learning Machines? Welcome to this video. This is a big update to let you guys know I won't be making tons of videos too much. There will be days, sometimes you'll get like 7 videos or more. Some days you'll just get one. Some days you'll maybe get 0, and I hope not. But I'm working on big stuff, and my time is now allocated to different things. Huge campaigns, huge paid, marketing things, and then big businesses on the side. And I just want to let you guys know I'm here for you. And I'm definitely available with all the info products, all the coaching, all the mentorships in the back end. But with videos on the front end, I will definitely try to keep making videos, duh. But I just gotta say, it's gonna be different because I'm so busy with a ton of stuff. It's crazy what's happening, okay? And that's just what happens over time when you stick to businesses, when you have a lot of knowledge, form strategies, take action. I mean, that's what happens, okay? But this method is how to make money crazy fast with big trending offers and search traffic and any other traffic platform you want to do, okay? We're 4 days into the month and I'm doing freaking adult marketing. That is $8,000 right there, okay? That's crazy, crazy, crazy money. And the thing is, I'm just promoting offers you wouldn't expect and offers you do see here. And if you search for offers, I mean, they got tons of offers. You'll find offers. And you can make $1 million with just one platform, guys. You don't need a ton of platforms. I'm on several different platforms. And I make it work. Okay. Now you could totally go on all sorts of different platforms or just one. Okay. Now let's talk about this method. So if you want to find a great offer that's trending, you could go directly to one of the CPA networks you're signed up on, and then you can literally ask, the actual affiliate managers you have and say to them, hey man, what are the best offers you guys are using right now? Okay. And, what are the highest trending offers too? And then you leverage that with search traffic. Okay. So let me explain this. So you go to Google AdWords and you run literally search traffic of people interested. So they got marketed to, okay, with interruption marketing. And then they go ahead and they're like, hey, I want to go search this up and find it. And then they go direct to the source on their own time when they're ready, and they convert on the offer, okay, and you pay for the right traffic. This traffic's very, very powerful, okay? Now, this is just adult marketing I typed in just so I could be here for you guys, ready? But let's find a trending offer just from Offer Vault. This is a search engine for affiliate offers. Very, very powerful how they have this all in one place for you, okay? Now, if we go to categories, networks, blah, 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 all this different stuff, we can find the best offers, okay? So let's just look at something that pays pretty high. Let's not look at sweepstakes for now. There are methods for sweepstakes. Let's just look at make money. Make money does make money, okay? Let's look right here. A lot of Bitcoin. Let's look at this one, okay? So let's say 1K in one day. Okay, that's an offer. 1K daily profit. That could that possibly stocks, relevant to stocks. Now, also, Offer Vault used to have this thing over here where it basically said these are like the most searched for terms. Okay, I thought it was pretty interesting. But now they don't have that, so we basically have to, look for offers on our own. Now we can know what's trending based off the times. We can know what's a mainstream thing that just works. We can go straight to the network you're on and ask them ourselves. Okay, that is the best method. This just helps you if you're not on many networks. I wanted to show you guys this so you could basically find offers on certain networks you want to promote, or just big networks in general. They'll sort the networks for you. Okay, so affiliate networks, and they'll tell you how many offers they have, okay? And so you can look, okay, Leadbit has a lot of offers. Okay, this one has a lot of offers, Maxbounty has a lot of offers. I love Maxbounty. Adult Force has a good amount for adult marketing, stuff like this. MaxWeb has a decent amount. They're not crazy or anything. This one right here, a lot of offers, okay? So it's like a lot of offers is great because there's abundance of a bunch of different verticals you can go in. But I've noticed also that there are networks you can join that have very few offers, but they're like quality offers, if you will. Okay, so it's really, really nice. So you go to Maxbounty, like what are the highest, best trending offers? They tell you all the time too. They'll send you emails. Okay, now you go over here and you start typing in these offers. Okay, so let's just look at this. Actually, another thing you could do real quick is you can go to trending searches and you can see what's trending. Okay, maybe find some patterns, but we all know crypto can be trending all the time. We all know sports trending. But then there's things that just randomly, and things that repeat themselves. Okay, there's things that repeat themselves quite a bit that you could take advantage of. And that's when you know something's a big, big trend. Okay. And you can attach a big trend to any offer too. Okay. So understand that. So let's say something's trending like crazy, people are interested in, you could do search traffic and bridge the gap with the landing page that bridges the gap between, okay, they're searching for this, they click on the ad, and then you need to kind of convince them and persuade them and keep it congruent and make them believe that they want the offer that's on the other side and make it in connection. So let's say this person's trending and people are searching for this individual and you associate this individual to an offer, okay, and they're recommending an offer. That can be very powerful indeed, okay? Don't underestimate the power of likability and search traffic and trends, okay? This is huge. You guys just need to apply it, okay, in your own way to the right offer, and the offer does matter. So if you look into your network too, whichever network you want, you could see what is the highest converting offer, because highest converting offer does matter a lot, big time, okay? Because it's the difference between a little bit of money and a lot of money. If it's converting at a high rate, that's important, okay? Ad combo is a great one. This one I've never seen before, but it looks like it has a lot of offers. This one only has 2 offers. This one only has 1 offer, okay? So it's like, they could be good offers, they could be bad offers at the end of the day. Okay, let's look over here. But sometimes you'll know just by looking here, these freaking networks making the most money most likely just because of the fact they're advertising. But some don't advertise there that still make a lot of money and have a lot of offers converting, okay? That's important to know that things are making money, okay? That's very important. Okay, so anyway, that's Offer Vault for you to show. If you want to do crack revenue and find really high converting offers on crack revenue, these ones convert really high, but I talked about in a video how to promote each one of these, okay? Each one of these the right way. These ones, free traffic was best for these, free traffic best for that, even somewhat free traffic for that and paid for that. This one is pop under worldwide. This one right here is you can do paid ads with this one, cost per sale. Okay, these are the highest payout offers right here, just to show right off the bat. These offers pay really high for what they are, okay? So you could basically spend quite a bit of money to acquire a conversion compared to if you're promoting something for $2, $3, $5. You can literally spend quite a bit to acquire conversions. It's a very big deal. So these ones can do well with paid ads. That's kind of my point there, okay? That's powerful to understand. You can do paid ads with these. Now, I could show you, let's see these offers here again. So let's say you want to promote any one of these. Okay, don't do this one. That's too weird. Okay, Xcams. Let's just say you want to do Xcams. Let's see if that's trending or at least has a lot of search volume, okay? So, here we are. We sort by that. Okay, Hamster Xcam, how weird. Free live Xcam. These are people literally searching, though, for it. Okay, they're literally looking for the offer. So you could basically do a landing page in between the offer and, you can get around a few things or it can get straight up approved. Sometimes, Google can be strict. Sometimes it's not. And it's definitely not as strict as freaking Facebook. That is for sure. Okay, that is a major important thing to understand. I love freaking Google. Okay, Google Ads is one of the best things out there. Okay, so if we go right here, we can actually search different freaking campsites if you want, okay? Just for example, like this is just an example. Okay, so these are the different campsites right here. There's this one, and then there's that one, okay. Okay. Royal Cams. Okay, here we are. What's the other ones? My Free Cams, Chatterbait, okay. Oh, yeah, okay. Oh, we can still fit one. Let's see which one's trending the most. This is Google Trends, so you kind of know. Oh, okay. So you know right off the bat that Chatterbait is the most popular by far. So if you wanted to promote something, this is essentially the best product to promote, okay, based off what? The searches, okay? Now you can even go down here and look up things like, oh, what's trending the most? I mean, OnlyFans is crazy trending. Just a random words there. Okay, let's see. My Free Cams, Chatterbait W. These are breakout keywords, but there's nothing you could do with that one. This one could be something. But in general, this is SEO. Okay, so if you wanted to do free traffic, guys, and a lot of you guys do want to do free traffic, you basically make content around big offers where attention is. So you could do the Chatterbait and make a ton of content around that and be an affiliate for Chatterbait like crazy. You can be an affiliate for people who become content creators on there, and you can be an affiliate for people who go sign up, and you get paid per lead and per sign up and all this stuff. And you can choose to be paid for live, which can be also very powerful. You get a rev share for life, which is really crazy. Okay. I promoted a little bit of Chatterbait before, but I haven't like gone crazy with it. Okay. If you want to go all in on something, you can make a lot of money. And there's no reason why you can't make content around all these too. So content marketing is what you want to do in this scenario, is what I'm saying. If you want to do paid ads for this one, do paid ads for this one. We could show you right now over here how much search volume actually there is. Okay, Chatterbait. Okay. This is crazy. Okay, so basically people may be looking to sign up or something. Okay, so we want to look into this. Which keywords are opportunity? You don't want to do these keywords. These are like people, I'm assuming, and usernames that people are searching up, okay, that are popular or something. But what we want to do, you could literally do this. Chatterbait, sign up, or something like that. We'll find some ideas from that, okay? Chatterbait, sign up, only 10. Oh, that's weird. Oh, broadcast. This is actually kind of a good keyword. Even though there's 10 people per month, it's money to be made right there. And there's other keywords just like it. So let's see. Let's do Chatterbait, sign up, Chatterbait. Let's just go back to Chatterbait and look for more ideas, because this is a huge keyword. I mean, they get so much search volume, okay? Now, okay, let's see. Chatterbait mature, Chatterbait milk, Chatterbait, Chatterbait live. Yeah, you might just want to do content all around, and just a certain percentage will convert, okay? But if you were wanting to do paid ads, like I said, you could look for opportunities to have people sign up. But usually if someone's searching it right here in this scenario, okay, for this offer specifically, not all the other offers you could promote out there, these people are usually just searching to go onto the site, okay? So what you really want to do is, let's say you want to promote some offer, okay, that is in the category of addiction's a good one. Okay, addiction, relief, stuff like that. Clothing, anything e-com could work. You want something very niche specific in a way, so I think Nutra's good. I'm trying to find it. Yeah, so there's Nutra. So let's say this one right here, Min Power Formula. Literally, whatever it's called, you can literally do brand bidding and kind of get around it. It's very powerful. It's so powerful, in fact, that sometimes it's not allowed. That's how powerful it is, okay? It makes money, money, money. The only thing you got to do, you sign up on a network, you find different offers, you even ask for what are the top offers, and because there's search traffic around it and interruption marketing and people going and searching, you can leverage search traffic, guys, okay? And get in front of people who are literally looking to buy, okay? That's powerful. All right, so here we are. You could even base it off of the payout. Let's say you want to sign up on a network that has a high payout Nutra. This one right here, all these keto ones, okay? Let's just look at this, just for the sake of the video here, okay? Keto shots. Oh, baby. I don't know if that was spelled right. I don't know if it's pushed together. Okay, keto shot, boom, okay? People are literally, there's so much attention around this. There's so much interruption marketing specifically that you can literally come in and take advantage of the search traffic. Now, the cost per click may be around $1, okay? The competition may be a little high, but at the end of the day, where the money is, that's where you want to be, okay? This is huge opportunity for anyone. Anyone can go into an opportunity and crush it if they know what they're doing, okay? That's what this is all about, man. That's what this is all about, teaching you guys exactly what to do, okay? So this keto shot offer, I mean, it's massive. This is the perfect example to show you guys. If you find any keywords that has low competition, that could be a cash grab right off the bat. I don't see any low competition for this keyword, really. But the thing is, like, some people don't even have a converting method of making it work. Hey, you could direct link if you want and get around it, or you can make a really good pre-sale page that's a review for One Shot Keto, or any other freaking Nutra offer I was showing here, okay? That was just an example, and it turned out to be a good one. And the thing is, so much search volume, okay? That is a really good income right there, a really good freaking income, okay, just doing these Nutra offers. So I highly recommend that. Guys, that is basically the method. You guys can make a lot of crazy money fast with trends plus search traffic plus if you want to do content marketing, SEO ranking, like just find what's making money and get in front of that and ride the wave, man. Like anyone can make money with this method. This is crazy. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you guys want more value from me, I literally have a literally done for you campaign service. I literally have done for you funnels. I have in-depth training of a bunch of methods of work. Okay, that are also like this that works. Just more value to you. Okay, so if you want that, go check that out down in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and peace out, learn machine.